In this video, we're going to be showing you how we insert, format, and record to an SD card on our Insta360 Luna Ultra. We will also be leaving affiliate links down in the description for both the SD card and the Luna Ultra, meaning if you click and make a purchase, we will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Alright, let's get into it. When choosing a card for the Insta360 Luna Ultra, it's important to pick a card that meets the recommended requirements. And those recommended requirements are a microSD/TF card that is UHS-1, V30 speed class or higher, and formatted as exFAT. They also say do not use memory cards of UHS-2 or UHS-3 specification, or cards with a capacity exceeding 1 terabyte. So our SanDisk Extreme Pro, it meets the recommended requirements, and it is actually one of the recommended memory cards by Insta360. So let's go ahead, take it out, and put it into our camera. So here we have the microSD card, and let's just set it off to the side for now until we are ready to insert it. So grabbing our Luna Ultra, first thing we need to do is power it on. With the camera now powered on, we are going to locate the microSD slot on the camera. It's going to be on the right hand side near the bottom, and we're going to put our finger inside and rotate that little cover until it exposes the slot. Then it's really important we insert this microSD card correctly. We want the gold facing us and that little angle pointed down. Once we push it in, we will hear a little click, meaning that it has locked into place inside the camera, and then we will simply rotate that cover back over the top. We can see that our Luna Ultra has detected an SD card, so we will hit confirm. And now the next thing we have to do is format this card. So we're going to access our memory settings by going to that main menu and then swiping over. And we want to select the SD card. So with it selected, we'll click Storage Management, and then we are going to press Format. Now, once we press format, it's going to take us to another menu, and because this is a brand new SD card, we're just going to do a quick format on it. Now, keep in mind, if you do format the card, it will wipe anything that is on it. So we have successfully formatted it for this camera. We can now select Got It, and our card is now ready to use. Before we start recording, it's important to know which storage is going to be used, either the internal or the SD card that we have put into it. As you see, we selected internal and hit confirm. Now everything we record will be recorded onto the Luna Ultra's internal memory. However, if we select SD card and hit confirm, now all of our footage is going to be recorded onto that microSD card. And now we are ready to go. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.